Now, if you want to make changes to the navigation of your website, so for example, you want to remove or edit or add something to this menu at the top of your website, you can do so by going up to the dashboard options here and going down to menus. Or if you are on the admin dashboard, you can get to it under appearance and menus. On the menu editor, you select the menu that you want to edit, and then you click select. By default, it's showing this one, which is the one I want to edit. And as you can see, I have page, and it's showing me the navigation label. If you click on this expand thing, you can expand any of them, you can move them around, you can do different things. So say I wanted to move it to a different spot, or I can also add it as a item on an existing drop-down menu. I can do that as well by just moving it to this area here. So this is the main, each of these is the main parent menu item, and then these are the submenu items. Depending on your website may not have submenu items, or if it does, they could appear different. It varies site to site. So I'm just trying to give you a general idea of what it is and how it works, just so you can have some basic understanding. So say I wanted to change this title, well, it's a label, so we'll say page title, and click save. I'm going to show you one of the problems that you may encounter if you add too many things to a menu, or if the characters are, the word is too long or something else. It can do something that you may not be thinking about or expecting. So if you visit the website now, if you look at it, it says page title, just like it was supposed to, but it's out of position. The reason it's doing that is because there is not enough space for it to fit the entire, page title word there. So it's moved it to the next line. That's not what we want here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove that, and I can remove it by clicking on this remove link, and now it's gone. So now if I go back and I save it, here, and then go back and look at it, now that menu item is gone. I can also add stuff as well. If you're in the menus option here, see, I can click on it and then just click check, add a menu. Now say I wanted to add this as a, as one of the items on the drop down menu, I can put that there and save, and then click visit, and now page title goes here. Now you can see it there. Alright, so that's a basic way the menu works. It's fairly easy to be able to change and remove things, and it doesn't take a lot of time if you know what you're doing. So that's how to add pages. You can also add links to your posts as well. You can also add custom links, and you also have categories that you can add too. Now if you add a custom link, so let's just say Google and go add, it looks just like the other ones, so it'll say custom link though, and so you can change it and move it and stuff. But you'll notice that it does not give the option to make the links open in a new tab. It's just going to open those links in the current existing tab that the user's in. Alright, so once you're done editing your menu, just make sure that you save it, otherwise you will lose any of the changes that you made. And after you've done making the changes, make sure you look at it and make sure it's the way you want it. And yeah, that's pretty much how you edit your menu.